Hello and welcome to another video. This is Euro Japanese yen 60-minute chart, and let's see where is our support and can we have a good buy position or no. If you look at this line here, probably it's our main trend line that was break last week, and here is pullback. And if you saw my last analysis, that exactly what I say for this short position here. And now, is it our main trend line or this line is our main trend line? Maybe this is our main trend line here. We don't know 100%, but here probably is good support area. This area and this area are probably our support in next days. Okay, let's see lower time frame. Okay, this is probably our bearish channel here, and we are now in lower line in this channel, and probably we have a bullish market until here. So it could be bullish market until here, and then another bearish trend for this channel. We don't know 100%, but it could be. Daily chart, maybe we have this triangle here, like here, until here, and then bullish market until here. So don't forget money management and don't forget stop loss. We can't trust this market, and don't forget like and subscribe.